This is Jerome Joseph, live in Macau, live in the city of dreams. I'm here speaking at a convention and really excited to be in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful part of the world with all its big brands, its casinos, and its amazing experiences. I often talk about the brand theater. What is the brand theater? Well, the brand theater is driven by the fact that brands need to put on a show. You're right here on this amazing stage and you're there connecting with your audience. And who's putting on the performance? Well, it's your people, your employees. Your employees that are engaged by the brand and ready to act out that story that comes from what your brand stands for. So when you think about the brand theater, think about how you can put up a performance for your brand. Think about how you can engage your audiences right there, standing right in front of you. How can you connect with them and how can you tell your story so that they will stand up and give you a standing ovation because they love that experience that they just had with your brand. So my name is Jerome Joseph, live in Macau, wishing you success in building a world-class brand.